In today's fast-paced digital world, AI tools are like helpful partners if you want to make a lot of money, around $90 per hour. These 10 AI tools can do amazing things to help you. It used to be a far-off idea, but now it's real. And we'll show you how to use AI to make more money easily. Watch this video to learn the secrets of using AI for financial success. Stick with us till the end, and you'll know how to secure your financial future with the help of AI. Number 10, AI-generated art. Nowadays, making money using AI tools has become surprisingly easy, and you can earn $90 per hour. Think of tools like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney as your creative allies. They allow you to develop detailed prompts that produce impressive AI-generated artwork. You can sell these prompts on platforms like PromptBase and turn your imaginative ideas into a profitable business. But that's not all. There's a new world called NFTs. You can transform your AI-generated art into digital collectibles and sell them in the booming NFT market. And if you're feeling even more ambitious, why not take your AI creations to the physical realm? You can turn them into real products like t-shirts, posters, or decorations to boost earnings. Moving on to predictive analytics. Number 9, predictive analytics. These are like fortune tellers powered by fancy algorithms. They look at past data and tell you what's likely to happen in the future. This superpower helps companies plan their product development and marketing strategies by predicting what customers will do before they even do it. Now, let's explore crafting YouTube videos with AI. Number 8, crafting YouTube videos with AI. Imagine effortlessly creating engaging videos to promote stuff like products or services. AI buddy chatgpt can help by developing video ideas and even writing scripts for you. It can also use text-to-speech to give your video a voiceover. But that's not all. There's this neat thing called Synthesia. It's a program that can whip up videos you can post on your YouTube channel. So what's the secret to doing well? Make evergreen videos, the kind that stay relevant over time. These videos can bring in money from ads and affiliate links, gradually getting you closer to making $90 an hour. And all you need are these handy AI tools. Shifting our focus to image recognition software. Number 7, capitalizing on image recognition software. You can make money using image recognition software, another useful AI tool. It's not just about being able to recognize pictures, it's about finding new ways to make money. Imagine recognition software is like a gold mine for new ways to make money, like face recognition for better security, or visual search engines that speed up online shopping. Let's delve into crafting AI-generated visual products. Number 6, crafting AI-generated digital visual products. In today's digital world, AI can help you make a good income, $90 per hour. These AI tools are helpful, especially when creating visual stuff for the internet. Thanks to AI, you can make eye-catching ads, logos, and marketing without sweat. There are even platforms like adcreative.ai that let you make cool commercials and social media content using AI. Businesses always look for fresh, creative stuff. You can sell it to them. But wait, there's more. Startups need to impress investors and partners, and they do that with a pitch deck, a presentation about their idea. AI can speed up the process here too. Tools like ChatGPT and Tome can help you make these pitch decks faster. And you know what's cool? You can find people who need pitch decks on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. So with AI, you can grab these opportunities and make some serious money. Now, turning our attention to natural language processing, NLP. Number 5, natural language processing, NLP. Here's another fantastic AI tool in your arsenal for making money. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP is like the language superpower of AI. It lets machines understand human language in a way that makes sense. Thanks to NLP, businesses can automate things like figuring out how people feel about stuff, sentiment analysis, creating content, and translating languages. So if you want to make $90 per hour, NLP will be your trusted partner on this AI-powered money-making path. Moving on to building websites with the help of AI. Number 4, building websites with AI. Imagine having these AI tools that can help you build websites, and this can be a pretty successful money-making gig. You can design your websites for small businesses, offering your skills to clients, and you can make your websites earn cash through affiliate marketing, ads, or subscription sales. Now, a website builder called Wix.com makes the whole process super simple. They have ready-to-go designs and something called Wix Artificial Design Intelligence, ADI, which makes your site look awesome without much effort. So whether you're helping businesses get noticed online or starting projects like selling stuff or promoting affiliate products, AI has turned website building into a profitable venture. Now, let's discuss the power of machine learning algorithms. Number 3, unlocking profits with machine learning algorithms. Imagine having a super smart tool like machine learning algorithms that can crunch through loads of data and figure out patterns and trends to predict stuff accurately. This tech isn't just fancy, it's practical and can be used in various industries like finance, healthcare, and marketing. Businesses can fine-tune their game plans and make more money when they team up with these machine learning algorithms. Shifting our focus to AI-generated audio content. Number 2, AI-generated audio content. One exciting way to do this is by creating audio content with AI. Imagine this. You develop audiobook scripts, and AI helps you make them sound fantastic using text-to-speech technology. It's like turning your words into valuable audiobooks that people can listen to and learn from. But wait, there's more. AI doesn't stop there. It's like a bridge that connects different languages. Nova AI software can translate and even add subtitles to videos. You could offer translation services to video creators on places like Upwork and Fiverr, helping them reach a wider audience. And here's a neat thing. AI-powered text-to-speech tools can change written stuff into audio. This means it can help folks who can't see well and lets you share your content with more people. With AI, there are endless possibilities for making money with audio content, and it's right at your fingertips. Lastly, let's explore crafting profitable online courses with AI. Number 1, crafting profitable online courses with AI. AI's superpowers make it possible to make $90 an hour in today's digital world. One cool way to do this is to make and sell online classes, and AI can help you in this venture. Imagine having AI tools like chatgpt that help you develop course ideas, make interesting topics, and all the study materials you need. With AI, making training videos, writing scripts, and even using text-to-speech to have a robot voice explain things to your students is easy. AI can also help you make ads and marketing to excite people about your courses. You can make money in the online education game if you're into teaching and teaming up with AI. These AI-powered tools have transformed various fields from creative endeavors like AI-generated art, YouTube video creation, and crafting digital visual products to more analytical domains like predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, and natural language processing, NLP. Additionally, the accessibility of AI-driven website building, audio content generation, and online course creation has opened up new avenues for financial success. With AI as a capable ally, individuals from all walks of life can now harness the immense potential of these tools to secure their financial futures with relative ease and efficiency. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.